Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Pretend Play Sets is probably one of the most exciting and beneficial types of toys for toddlers aged 3 to 5. These sets encourage imaginative play, allowing children to explore different roles and scenarios, from cooking in a play kitchen to being a doctor. This not only boosts their creativity but also helps develop essential social skills, language development, and problem-solving abilities, making playtime both fun and educational. Number 5. Learning Resources Cash Register Toy. This interactive cash register makes learning fun. It helps children practice addition, subtraction, and money recognition while they play shop. It has a solar-powered calculator, a cash drawer with a ka-ching sound, a credit card swiper, and a receipt pad. These features create an engaging pretend play experience. The set comes with 73 pieces. Included are realistic play bills and plastic coins. There is also a pretend credit card. Besides math, it helps children build fine motor skills. It also helps with social interaction, vocabulary, and creative thinking through imaginative play. It's made from high-quality materials. It's built to withstand enthusiastic play. The large buttons are perfect for little fingers, and it has a sturdy design. What we like? This cash register makes learning math fun and engaging. It features a solar-powered calculator and realistic sounds, making it feel like a real store. If you have a child who loves to play shop or is starting to learn about money, this is a fantastic choice to combine fun with education. What people say. The toy kitchen set is very cute and has a lot of accessories. The size is perfect for toddlers. It is easy to assemble. Number 4. Meland Doctor Kit for girls with vet dog. This doctor kit includes everything a future doctor needs, like a stethoscope, syringe, and even a cute dog toy. It's a wonderful starter set for girls who love to pretend and dream of helping others. This set encourages imaginative play and learning. This set allows children to roleplay as doctors or nurses, helping them learn about medical tools and procedures. It's a great way to familiarize them with checkups and ease any anxieties they might have. They can practice and become more comfortable with the idea of visiting a doctor. With simulated medical tools and a nurse costume, kids can fully immerse themselves in the role. The stethoscope lights up, adding to the fun and sparking their imaginations. They can take care of their dolls or other toys, making the experience even more enjoyable. Participating in doctor-patient role-playing games helps children develop communication and empathy. They'll gain confidence as they cure their patients. This set is a great way to encourage social and emotional development. This doctor kit is an ideal gift for pretend play, role-playing, parties, or any special occasion. It's recommended for girls aged 3 to 8 years old. It's a gift that will inspire and delight any child who dreams of becoming a doctor or dentist. What we like? This doctor kit is specifically designed for girls, complete with a vet dog toy and dress-up costume. It helps children understand medical procedures and reduces any fear of doctor visits. If your child dreams of being a doctor or loves caring for others, it will be a perfect gift for them. What people say. The kitchen set is very cute and has a lot of accessories. The size is perfect for my 3-year-old. The set includes a variety of play food items. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Fire Chief Role Play Set. This exciting set lets kids step into the shoes of a brave fire chief. It's a fun way for them to explore their imagination and learn about helping others. The costume is designed to look just like a real fire chief's uniform. It includes a jacket, hat, and other accessories. They will feel like a true hero wearing it. Made with durable and child-friendly materials, this set is built to last. It's designed to withstand hours of playtime, ensuring long-lasting fun. This set sparks creativity and role-playing. It encourages children to create their own stories and scenarios, fostering their imagination. Whether it's for playtime at home or a costume party, this set is perfect. It's a wonderful gift for any child who dreams of being a fire chief. What we like? This fire chief costume set includes a jacket, hat, and accessories for realistic role play. It allows children to step into the shoes of a fire chief and engage in imaginative scenarios. If your child is fascinated by firefighters and enjoys dressing up, this costume will ignite their imagination. What people say. The jackets have bright orange color with easy Velcro closure. The accessories, badge, fire extinguisher, hat and horn, are fantastic for the kids. It's great quality, vibrant colors, and the perfect dress-up outfit. Appreciate that it came with props. The hard hat, fire extinguisher, and badge are a nice touch to the jacket itself. Great quality for money spent. The jacket is substantial and I'm sure it will last through lots of playtime. The hat is sturdy also. Great value for gifting. Number 2. iPlay, iLearn Kids Firefighter Costume. This amazing firefighter costume set is perfect for young heroes. It includes everything they need to imagine themselves saving the day. It's a great way to encourage imaginative play. The set comes with a bright red jacket, helmet, and essential accessories. There's a walkie-talkie with sound effects, a plastic axe, a water gun, and a badge. It's all there for hours of fun. This set helps kids build self-esteem and explore different careers. It also develops problem-solving, communication, and social skills. It's a fun way to learn and grow. Made with premium quality materials, this costume is built to last. The jacket is machine washable, and the accessories are easy to clean. It's designed for repeated use. This is a great gift for kids aged 3 to 6 years old, between 3.3 foot to 4.3 tall. It encourages active play and is perfect for parties and outdoor activities. They will love it. What we like. This firefighter costume set comes with a jacket, helmet, and essential accessories. It encourages active play and helps develop problem-solving and social skills. If you are looking for a fun and educational gift that promotes active play and role-playing, it is a great choice. What people say. It's great quality, thick, opaque material, reflective stripes and lettering spelling fire depth on the back, and the fire extinguisher can spray water if you fill it up. Lots of accessories and a lot of fun playing fireman. The tools are so cute. This fit my 2 almost 3-year-old perfectly. Number 1. Born Toys Kids Costume Set ages 3 to 7. This complete dress-up set includes firefighter, police officer, and doctor costumes. It comes with matching accessories, perfect for pretend play and role-playing. Made of soft, lightweight polyester, it's comfortable and easy to wear. Your kids will love how it feels while they're playing and pretending. The costumes are machine washable, so they're easy to care for and can be used again and again. It's designed to withstand lots of fun. It comes in a handy storage box to keep the costumes organized. This makes it easy to store and keeps everything in one place. This set is perfect for sparking creativity, role-playing, and costume parties. It encourages imaginative play and hours of fun for your children. What we like. This set includes firefighter, police officer, and doctor costumes, offering diverse role-playing options. It is made from soft, washable materials, making it easy to care for. If you like a versatile set that encourages various pretend play scenarios and is easy to maintain, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The kitchen set is very cute and has a lot of accessories. The size is perfect for my 3-year-old. The set includes a variety of play food items, pots, pans, and utensils. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.